Welcome back to the Starter Kit series with JP, that's me, and here at Learn Brizy Cloud. A reminder that the Starter Kit is a general idea of what Brizy is all about. There are so many aspects to this builder and to this content management system that allows you to create unlimited websites, pop-ups, stories. It's just mind-blowing. That the Starter Kit is to really get you starting, and then the other videos on the channel will help you build it out and build it up. I really appreciate the support. Thank you very much for that. And remember to follow the links in the description below if you're interested in other builders to see what other channels we have under the Websites for Beginners umbrella. A new feature that rolled out to Brizy Cloud Free and Brizy Cloud Pro in the last few months is called Collaborate, or the collaboration tool. And you may have observed it when we were looking at the content management system. I'm just going to save here, Control-Command-S, because I don't remember when was the last time I had saved. Go to the sidebar on the left and you will find just under the reorder and styling these little bubbles, text bubbles, and then as you hover over it, it will give you that tooltip that says Collaborate. Collaborate means that you can share this website with other people and have them add comments to it. Now, collaborate doesn't mean essentially making changes at the same time together. I'm sitting here with my site open, you're sitting there with your site open, and together we collaborate and make changes. It's more of a review tool that you can share with people. So if you have a client or you're making this website for your mother who has a homemade bakery or whatever, then what you can do is design everything here and then go into collaboration mode or into the Collaborate tool. Notice though that it opens a new tab, and then what it basically does is it takes a snapshot of your site with the ability for you to post comments there and then share that with someone else and they can make comments on it. It's essentially a review tool. Let's go here, and this is our site. We know that's our site. And then jump to the second tab and you will see here we have our site again. But note that there is no ability to edit any of the content. You cannot change columns, you cannot change text, you can do nothing. It's basically just a copy of your site presented with the ability to add sticky notes. I've added already a sticky note up here. Number 1, you see that red dot with 1. Select it and you will see that it says, I don't like this font, use something more flashy. All right. So I posted this 2 weeks ago. And then if I have other members, you see here all members, currently it's only me, and I've added other members to collaborate with me on this, they will have the ability then to write a comment there. If I want to add a new comment here, I go anywhere like this one. Oh, they forgot to make sure that the text, font, and color is also applied to these two. I can just add that. I click there on a plus and you see it says 4. Interesting. What happened to 2 and 3? And you'll see soon. And I'll say here, remember to update the second and third column headings to the same style as the first column. And then I will say comment, and I'm posting this to all members. If I had other members in here, I could select only some of them and only they will see it. And I will select your comment. And now it's going to appear here as a comment. So we have 1 and 4. Like I said, what happened to 2 and 3? Let's see what happens here on the sidebar on the left. First, we have the comments. And if I select it, you're going to see there's 1. And then there is 2 with a check and a 3 and a 4. And 2 and 3, you will see it says tablet only and tablet 2. Let's cycle then through our responsive views. And we do it the same way like we did in the builder. Go here to the sidebar on the left and select tablet. It's going to load again because it's basically taking a screenshot for you from your site. And you will see there is comment 2 up there and there is comment 3 here. So even the comments are, well, quote unquote, responsive. and you can add a specific comment here. For example, don't like these arrows. Let's comment. And then if you go and check also on the mobile device, let's go to mobile. And we can add a specific comment for mobile here. Actually, after we've made some of these changes to the fonts and the colors, the mobile actually doesn't look good. Like this green line here at the bottom. Don't like the green line. What we can do is imagine that I am the customer. I am paying you to make this website for me. You send me this link, you make me a member, and then I review it in this collaboration tool. I don't know anything about styling or layout or design, but I know what I don't want, which is the most infuriating thing about any customer who don't have a background in that. And I can add the comments here and send it to you. Then later, when you come from here, let's go back to desktop. Now, when your collaborator or you yourself come and you look at these comments, the first thing you'll probably do is go up here to this little comment, and you will see you have your desktop, you have the tablet, and there it goes through tablet again every time. And I would just go and select all to give you an overview of whether there has been new comments, and you can see them all appear here. And then as you go through these comments and you then make changes and you think that it has been resolved, you can simply click on this comment. It will take you there and select resolved. And it will now have the check mark in it and also appear as a check over here. And then if it's annoying to leave it there, you select here the 3 dots and you can select delete comment, and it's going to remove the comment. The only thing I haven't been able to really figure out is the other pages. You will see here at the top, it's currently set to home page. And if I select that, I go to pages, click on that, and it is supposed to give me all my other pages. I've gotten it to work before, but I've also run into this many times where it only gives me the current page I'm working on and not the ability to jump to the other pages like our About and Services and Contact Us page. That is a glitch, but I mean, of course, not the end of the world. You can just simply go back to the other pages, but then kind of the collaboration tool becomes a slight hassle because the idea is that you can easily navigate to the different pages from here. When you're done with the collaboration tool, you can simply just click on this tab and go back. These two work completely independently from each other. The collaboration tool will have absolutely zero impact on your builder or how your site looks. It's just a tool for two people who are in different places, who want to give comments on certain design or content on the site, that they can have that as a reference tool. You don't really need to do this over here that says go to edit page, because you can simply just click back here on this edit page. Of course, if you make changes here, you will need to update this page or reload it to have those changes. Nice little tool to have there if you are collaborating and working with other people, if you want to share it with a client who wants to give you feedback. But if you're just a one-person show, then really you're almost never going to use the collaboration tool. Know where it is, and when you need it, you use it.